Hello students, in this short video we are going to learn, in fact revise the rules while multiplying, dividing, adding and subtracting, and these rules are very important in algebra because without these rules you cannot do anything at all. So just two-step rules are there. If you understand this and remember once and for all, your life will become very easy. Let's just get started with it then. Rules for adding, addition and subtraction. While adding or subtracting, if there are similar signs, always add and give the same sign to the answer. So you have to always remember these are the rules for addition and subtraction. Rules for multiplication and division are different. Now while adding or subtracting, if there are similar signs, means if the signs are same, both the numbers are having positive or negative sign. For example, plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Okay, so we add. I added 5 and 6 and I gave the same sign, this plus sign, to the answer. Okay, now suppose I have minus 3 minus 4, both are similar signs, minus minus. So in this case also I have to add and give the same sign to the answer, means minus sign will come for the answer. So in this case my answer will be minus 7. So the rule is, if while adding or subtracting, if there are similar signs, you should always add and give the same sign to the answer. Now next is, if there are different signs, then what we should do. Okay, but before that just see the example. 5 plus 3 is 8 and minus 5 minus 3. Again we are going to add only, but we are going to give the answer negative sign in this case. Now while adding or subtracting, if there are different signs, then what we do? Different signs. That means plus minus, plus 5 minus 3. Different sign. So if there are different signs, you should always subtract. So we are going to subtract 5 minus 3 is 2 and give the greater number sign to the answer. Now here it is plus sign, so it is given there. Okay, if the greater number sign was negative, minus 5 plus 3, then we would again subtract but give the sign of the greater number to the answer, minus 5. Okay, this is the rule. Okay, now rules for multiplication and division, they are slightly different. While multiplying and dividing, if there are similar signs, answer will always be positive. Okay, if there are similar signs, similar means plus plus, let's say 5 multiplied by 3, your answer will be 5 3s are 15. And even if we have minus 5 multiplied by minus 3, the same rule applies for division also. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 3, still the answer will be positive only. If signs are similar, positive positive, negative negative, then answer will always be positive. And if there are different signs, means positive negative, negative positive, then answer will always be negative. While multiplying and dividing, if there are different signs, the answer will always be negative. Like if we have like this, minus 5 multiplied by 3, the answer will be minus 15. The answer will be minus 15. Okay, so similar signs, the answer will always be positive. Different signs, the answer will always be negative. Okay, hope these rules are clear to you, students. Thank you so much.